Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to open packages. Joke lang, hindi ko channel to.
Alright, Nature, we're gonna practice walking now. Ready?
Uy,
Ready?
wag muna.
1, 2,
Hindi pwede
3.
yan. Ano yung buto niya?
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Dwaine Vlog starring Pabibo
Bebe.
and Pabibe! Hello! Alright guys, sa vlog na to, we have some special surprises para kay Bebe. Ano? Yes, Bebe. Well, I mean, some of it's para kay Bebe, some of it's para kay Mommy and Daddy. Yes.
Pwede ko po. Hi, Bebe.
May nagpadala para kay Bebe.
Ay, family photo. Parating ganun no.
Oh my. So,
Ako magbubukas.
yes, Shanta will be opening all these things that people have sent para sa amin.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Tara na, una sa lahat will be a little company called Little Green by Nature and organic baby wipes. Sala, may organic, may pa-organic na si baby na wipes. Organic baby wipes. So you excited, baby? To get your butt cleaned with organic baby wipes.
Dami, oh.
Grabe, ang bigat naman. Ay wow.
Dwaine.
Ay wow, ang ganda naman.
Dwaine. Ang dami na ito.
I'm gonna get that chair kasi sobrang matangkad ako para sa video na to. Kasi ikaw, sobrang maliit.
Ang dami.
Ay, grabe yung dami, no? Organic baby wipes, guys. So you can check these guys out on, where is it? Facebook and Instagram, Organic Baby Wipes.
Itsura niya.
Search nyo yan.
Okay.
You know, no paraben, no harsh chemicals, no chlorine. This was given to us by Keith Chua.
ASMR chart. Alright.
Ayun, no? Yeah, now we can clean the baby's butt with organic wipes.
Ang bango. Ang bango. Ang bango.
Oh, ang bango.
Ang bango, no? Ang bango.
Oo nga.
Sobrang bango.
So Keith Chua, she gave this to us. So maraming salamat po, Miss Keith. Thank you so
Yay,
much.
thank you po.
Awesome. We
Hindi na
have
ako bibili ng
a lifetime
wipes.
supply of baby wipes.
Ambisyoso. So, ito yung una, baby wipes.
Baby wipes. Ano yung sunod?
Wait.
Hindi tayo mauubusan yan.
Parang Pasko.
Yes, maagang
Wow.
Pasko. Maagang dumating si Jose Marichan.
Ito ba?
Hindi naman maalikabok yan.
Buksan ko sa baba. Buksan ko dito.
Buksan mo yan. Buksan mo na yan. Sige, sige, magaba. Buksan mo na.
Okay. Ano
Sige
to?
na, mami. This is a surprise box. Mystery box. I think this is from Little Green by Nature, di ba?
It says-
Little Green? Tama?
Christine. Tada! Ah! Tada! Ooh, what's that? Ow! Oh, this
Wow! A natural breast pump for mommy!
Ano?
Mommy
Ang
has a
dami-
breast pump!
Ang dami kong ano.
Breast pump?
dami kong suso.
Maraming suso si mami, grabe. Puro na ng suso.
So this one-
Isang malaking suso si mami.
It says professional hair.
Ah, I get it now. Kasi meron ka ng breast pump, diba? So this one is for you. The old one is for me.
Ay, alam mo yun, gusto kong gumawa ng video yun sa channel ko. Antayin niyo po yung video namin yun.
Husband tries my breast pump
Breast pump,
challenge.
yes. Buksan niyo
Hello
natin.
ka. Okay, buksan. Buksan na. Buksan mo na.
Bro, hindi to para sa'yo. Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry, bebe. Sige na, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, mami. Kaya mo yan. Ayun. Mami, open it na yan.
Ganyan.
Oh, wow. It's so
Nakita
huge.
niyo
It's
ba?
massive. Ang laki, no?
Oo nga, mataba siyang ano.
You'll have to like, nakaupo ka tapos
Nakita ba nila kahit nasa salamin?
magpapapump ka. Oo.
Ano nagpapapump?
Magpapapump ka na.
Ayan, next. Buksan natin. So, breast pump na double.
Yes, once again from, oh, actually that was from Origin. Well, thank you so much, Keith.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Madam Keith.
Madam Keith. Ito para kay Nitro.
Meron pa? Okay, ang sunod natin na regalo. Let's have a look, guys. Mga Mars, mga pre.
Ow.
Alam niyo, pumunta ako sa mall, naghanap ako ng chair, upuan para kay BB Nitro. Pero wala eh. Wala silang chair. It would be so good if we could just sit him in a chair. And boom, he could just be in love with us, diba?
Like kagaya ng pinsan niya, di ba?
Alright, let's go. Open it,
Same-
mami.
Same age sila, di ba, Dwaine?
May pinsan si Nitro, half Australian din, half Filipino. Yung pinsan niya nasa Australia, pangalan niya si Nyla.
Nyla
Ito ang
Nyla.
picture niya, nakaupo siya sa red chair. So yun yung upuan na hinahanap
This
ko.
one looks really nice.
Oh.
Uy, yung nat niyo, anong ginagawa?
Wow, it's a pretty.
Wow,
It's a pretty.
Ito para kay Nitro. Oh, look, it's
Wow, ang laki. What was that, a chair? What is it?
Oh, it's not a chair.
Oh, it's not a
a
chair.
bed.
It's a bed? What? Sige, buksan mo. Wala, may bed na si Nitro.
Ta-da!
Hello ka, bebe. Wow.
So, may
Paano siya?
zipper siya.
This is again from Little Green by Nature. Little
So,
Green by
ganito
Nature.
yung itsura niya pag dalhin niyo siya. Tapos meron siyang, handle dito.
Ayun.
Yan, so ganun siya. Tapos, pag gusto
So,
niyo siya,
you know?
zipper lang. Tapos, surprise!
What is it?
Wow! It's a bed!
It's a bed for a baby?
It's so nice!
It's a bed for a
It's
baby?
your
Wow.
bed, yeah.
Wow, you have a new bed, baby.
Like a bed.
So now he can sleep on the sahig. How do we use this bed? We just put it on the floor or put it in the
Put
cot?
it like on the couch, pero kasi yung couch natin, kasi yung upuan namin,
We could put it
lazy
here on the
boy
bench,
na.
no?
Tada! Diba? Ang
Yeah,
ganda.
baby, you have a new bed.
Tapos meron siyang ito.
Ano yun? Foam.
Parang-
Galing. It is a little green travel bed, great for traveling and even at home. Sana all makakapag-travel ngayon. No? Diba?
Ang cute, Nitro. Look, it's
You
your
can place
bed.
baby on your adult bed safely and it's easy to store. Wow. So that means pag lipat na tayo sa Australia, ito na lang ang bed niya.
Oh,
Hindi tayo
sige.
bibili ng cot,
Cot.
no?
Tada!
You
Ang
know?
ganda no kasi
Yeah.
madadala mo siya, travel siya.
Yes, totoo.
Pero yung quality
True.
niya, maganda.
True.
Pwede bang sa akin na lang to? Dito ako matutulog.
Magkakasya dyan ang nagaba.
Nitro, look, it's your bed. It's so nice.
Para lang sa mga bebe.
Hindi sa pabebe.
Yes.
It's so cool.
Ayun.
Yeah, see? It's nice because like, dito diba, meron siyang zipper din. Oh, sorry. So, pag binuksan mo siya, pwede mo siyang tanggalin, tapos pwede mo siyang malabhan.
Ayun, no?
Kasi plastic yung nandito, oh.
Ayun, no?
Pero hindi siya mapipil ng baby kasi may foam naman.
Ayun, no?
Oh, baby Nitro, look, are you happy?
Okay, bebe, palit na tayo. Ikaw naman kay bebe.
Yeheey!
Ako naman magbukas ng mga regalo.
Wala na. Ay, meron. Ito yung gustong-gusto pa, tsaka yung baby.
Yes, so thank you very much, Little Green by Nature. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook for ang live sale yung bag natin. No?
Sale ako.
Okay guys, so ito ang susunod na batch ng regalo. Wow, may pa-batch pa. Ayun. Alright, Mami, are you ready?
Pinalitan ko yung lalagyan yan.
Eto na, mga Mars, mga pre.
Ito na.
Yun! This is from Turno and Tees. Turno and Tees, you can check them out on Instagram. Turno and Tees. Alright guys, this is a little t-shirt, I think. Buksan natin. Malalaman na natin kung ano ba talaga to. Oh, it's Garfield, the cat. Oh, it's pajamas.
It's for me.
It's for you. It's for Mami Shanta.
I think it's
Yan,
for
my
you.
PJs. Oh, it's unisex naman, no? Anyone can buy.
Oh, wow,
No, this is
sexy.
yours. This is yours.
Sexy.
Hindi ako ganun ka-sexy eh. Short shorts. The Garfield is para kay Mami Shanta. That's from Turno and Tees, guys. In fact, all of this is from Turno and Tees. Turno and Tees.
Kay Maki din
Ito po
yan.
ang business ng kaibigan namin na si Bettina.
Bettina.
Yan, Bettina. Maraming nagsastart ng online business ngayon dahil sa pandemic, di ba?
Yes.
Ayun. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Elmo and Friends,
Yes.
Cookie Monster, ganon. Sesame Street characters. This
Baka
is
yan yung sa'yo.
pajamas na naman. Hindi. Kasi tingnan mo yung shorts, oh. Yung sexy naman. Para sa mami yan, okay? Hindi naman sexy si daddy. Si mami lang ang sexy.
Hindi na Nitro. Bebe, nakita ikaw.
Okay, next.
Oh, it's for baby Nitro.
Oh, is this for the baby? I think this is. Alright, buksan natin to. Ang damit para sa bebe. Oh. Ah.
Uy, ba't sinisira mo? Napagulat siya.
Ooh.
Wow,
Oh, that's cool, isn't
you
it?
can fit it
Yes,
now.
you can fit it kasi medyo malaki na siya. So yung mga dati niyang damit, hindi na kasya sa kanya. So yun. Oh, tingnan mo, di ba?
Baka
Best
malaki
buddies. Oh, baby, look. All your new t-shirts.
Oh,
Oh, that's so cool. Ayun, no? Oh, it's so cute. It's got animals on it. Nitro. Animals on it. You see? This is good kasi malaki na, no? Next, wow. So all of these clothes are from Journal and Tees, guys. Check them out. Sa IG nila.
Pajama.
Oh, this is for mommy or dad. Oh, it's a hoodie.
It's a hoodie.
It's a hoodie for mommy. Check
Ano
natin.
yan? Para protective para sa COVID. Protective
PPE.
suit. Parang gano'n.
Totoo. Ayun, no?
Yeah, protective suit yan. Para ano.
Ay, protective suit pala to. Para hindi ka magkakaroon ng COVID. Ayun. Tapos may pag ganun pa, no?
Oo.
Ayun. Kulang na lang ang face shield, face mask, no? Galing. PPE from Turno and Tees, guys. You can get PPE
Love,
from
hindi
them
ko
as
alam.
well.
Pero parang
Parang,
siya.
oo.
Pang protective gear siya.
Hindi ko alam. Or maybe it's just a regular jacket. We also have, oh, what's this? This is for daddy. Yes, para sa akin to. Oh wait, maybe it's not. Maybe it's for mommy.
For you.
Is it? No, it doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me, and it's shiny. Nagniningning. Nagniningning. Bakit ganun? Turno and Tees once again, guys. IG. Oh, may pens pa. May
Wait
pens
lang,
pa.
baby, ha?
May shiny pens. Kung gusto kong maging bituin, suotin ko to.
Habang natutulog ka, be one with the
Pajamas.
stars.
I feel like, yeah, a lot of the clothes they have are pajamas, no? Oh, it's one for mommy. It's the same one. It's a pink one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we can be twinning.
Uy, try mo kasi
Magsi-twinning
yan.
tayo.
Magsi-twinning ka. Buksan mo yung pink.
Sige nga. Oh, you know.
Ang ganda ng kulay.
Ang ganda, oh. We can be shiny together, baby. Oh, yes. We have a...
Wala na.
Diba? Ano nangyari? Alright guys, yan ang haul natin! Yeheey! Daming libreng gamit.
Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you to Keith and to Bettina for everything. Oh yes. Oh, baby. Woohoo! Are you looking at daddy? You looking at the camera? Huh? Yeah?
Masyado kang mali.
Oh, who's that? Who's that, baby, huh? Are you ready to sleep na? Yeah? Matutulog ka na?
He's hungry actually.
Is he?
Kakain muna siya. Tas-
Alright. So guys, baby is going to eat and then papatulugin natin siya. So mommy and daddy can relax na and be happy. Sure. Yes, kasi lately he's been crying a lot at night. No?
Kasi may growth spurt siya. Tingnan niyo ang laki na niya, di ba?
Oo nga eh.
So, like, kalahati siya ng height ko. Ngayon, 3 months pa lang siya. Kalahati na ng height ko.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Hindi naman.
Pag naka-extend siya, tingnan mo kasi nandito yung head niya, ha?
Hindi pa.
Kalahati, promise.
Well.
Yes.
Alright guys, well, eto na po ang katapusan ng vlog natin for today. So maraming salamat sa panonood. And we will see you sa sunod na video ng Dwanta! Alright guys, bye for now!
Everything to me if you let me